as always, high five. After the 5. Oh, man. Cool, right? So I don't usually do commission printing. I don't usually do printing on demand. I just don't have the time for it. But I thought this was an interesting problem because I've never created one of these before, and I think that it was valuable to me to learn how to do this. This is the first model, I think, where I've used a loft, and I've did a circular pattern choosing a feature, creating the sphere and using it as a tool body against the target. I think that's all new. I think that's good stuff, and I think people can take from that interesting ideas and create cool stuff. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I thought about just telling them to contact someone, but nah, I got it done. This should be pretty easy too. So what they're gonna do is hit it with some filler primer. They're gonna sand it, and then they'll paint it whatever color they want. And then for the shell that sits on the top, they can use some modeling clay. So they can put some clay down and push the shell into it and then sculpt the sides so that it's almost kind of cradling or something. I don't know. They can do whatever they want. This is theirs. I was really, really worried originally because having just a 6-inch-ish square covering, I thought I would get some lift off the build plate, just a little bit in the corners, but the Magigoo held it down. What else? What else? I think it was. What do you think? Did that go well? Here's what's awesome. Here's a little behind the scenes stuff. I was super tired the other night, and it's like Friday morning when I'm recording this right now, and I was super tired, and I was in my office, and I went to record the Fusion 360 modeling stuff, and I left the microphone on just so I could kind of give Sean direction as to what I was doing. But hopefully Sean, while editing this, is able to put together me talking to the camera and my Fusion stuff that I did the day prior. So when I was talking to the camera about how I did this with Fusion, I was just doing it from memory. So if it doesn't make sense, I'm really sorry. But it should. It should make sense. This was Matter Hackers. This was Matter Hackers Gold Build PLA. I think it did a great job. It looks great. I really like 215C for that Matter Hacker stuff. Seems to work really well. Man, maybe I create more trophies, right? I mean, why not? Why not? I think it looks cool. Well, I hope this was good, right? I hope you were able to take from this something awesome. Look at that. I could just do it like there we go, just like that. I don't know. I hope it works. I did send Kristen and Sarah Beth pictures. They did like it. They did approve of it, and they talked to their marketing department, and they said that the Boostability logo was cool to show. There we go. All right, so now what I'm going to do is reorient the camera, and I'm going to get some detail shots where I'm actually zooming in a bit. That should be fun. A little behind the scenes. Hey, thanks for your support. Appreciate it, and I'll see you, there you go, in the next one.